Move Face has a number of new improvements that are great for all types of modelling, but especially for sheet metal. First, the default type is now offset. This makes a lot of sense for sheet metal, but many of you have also requested this change. So now, when you want to turn a flange into a partial flange, you can simply pick the end face without having to select a direction or change the option in the user interface. For this type of operation, you may want to specify an offset based on some existing geometry to add design intent. With Move Face, you can now select a face, edge or vertex to define the distance to move. Since the distance is measured between the first selected face and the up to entity, every face is offset by the same amount, and just like in the extrude command, you can also specify an offset in either direction. When designing a sheet metal part with a complex flange layout, collisions may occur which Onshape will not allow. In these cases, Move Face can be used to get the exact layout you need. For example, when adding flanges to these outside edges, there are interferences with other flanges in the model. The flange feature lets you specify an entity to extrude up to, but unlike Move Face, this entity is used to extend every flange in the feature. So you can either create two flange features or create one and modify afterwards with Move Face, which is better for capturing design intent. Now the additional flanges have been added, you can turn them into partial flanges using Move Face. Again, you can select any geometry, in this case an edge, and the face is moved to be coincident with your selection. Now you can start to see the added benefits of these new improvements. There's no need to take measurements, and you have much more flexibility when designing complex flange layouts. Finally, you can extend the edges up to an existing flange and finish the model by adding another flange that is perfectly flush and ready to be welded or riveted. Remember, these new Move Face improvements work with any kind of geometry: solids, surfaces, or sheet metal.